Hi! The cloud is everywhere nowadays, and that's no different for Copernicus. So how does Copernicus use the cloud? In the Copernicus program, you can find both satellite data and data from the Copernicus services that are available globally and updated daily. This leads to an enormous amount of data, 8 terabytes per day coming only from the first set of Sentinel satellites. In order to get these data to the public, the infrastructure needs to move towards new technology. In order to ensure that Copernicus data are easily accessible, the European Commission will launch a data access and information service in 2017, equipped to provide equal access to data and services. There are currently already a lot of cloud-based data access initiatives with the Copernicus data. The list here shows some examples of collaborative ground segments across Europe, which give access to the Sentinel data to national users. Then there are also many private initiatives, ranging from specialized European companies to big corporations who have incorporated the free, full and open data of Copernicus. The European Space Agency, or ESA, is with its partners also working on team-specific cloud-based data processing platforms for satellite data, called the thematic exploitation platforms. So how can entrepreneurs leverage the availability of Copernicus data on the cloud to build their business? I will show you an example of a European company that has been successful with Sentinel satellite data on the cloud. Sinergise is a Slovenian company, founded in 2008 as a spin-off from another company. They started out as a Geographic Information Systems, or GIS company, providing GIS services to their international clients in agriculture and real estate. In recent years, they moved towards using satellite images, for which they built a platform to make satellite data easily accessible for their GIS customers. They are putting Sentinel-2 data on a publicly available cloud and have built applications based on those data that offer easy ways to view, integrate, and work with the data. In 2016, they won one of the 7 challenges of the Copernicus Masters with their platform and went on to win the overall Copernicus Masters competition, giving them support to build out their company. In the next few minutes, I will show you how the application of Sinergise works in practice and how you can access Copernicus data on the cloud. Sentinel-2 is available on Amazon Web Services in a public bucket so everyone can access it. On the website, you can find all the information that you need to access the data, and the link is provided so you can download the Sentinel-2 images directly from there. To find data over your area of interest, you have to use the military grid, which you can also find on the website. You open it in Google Earth or another software that can read KML and hover over your area of interest. There you'll see 2 numbers and 3 letters which indicate your area of interest. Once you have that information, you can go back to the Sentinel public image search and find your area of interest with the 2 numbers and 3 letters. Further on, the images are divided by year, month, date, until you get to the level where you can download separate bands. So those are the images that Sinergise uses to build their applications with. The application that they built turns the images into a web map service that can be ingested directly into a GIS software. Here, I'll show you in QGIS how this service works. So Sinergise has done all the work of translating TIFF images into a WMS service. So what they actually deliver to their clients is a URL. Within QGIS, you can add a WMS layer. Enter all the information like the name and the URL of the web mapping service and click Connect. This URL not only gives you access to the true color image, but also plenty of other products that will show you vegetation indices or an enhanced image for agriculture or urban areas that can come in very useful for the topics that the clients are interested in. Sentinel-2 has a 10 to 20 meter resolution, so you can really zoom in and see the city structure. The Sentinel data are freely available for everyone, Software for processing satellite images and turning them into web mapping services is freely available. And the information to create vegetation indices or other images is also free and open. All this company did was to create a service that made it easier for their customers to access all this information. We can also do this in ArcGIS Online. The system is the same. We start with the URL built by the application from Sinergise, and then we add a layer from web, more specifically a WMS service. We add the URL and we get all the layers, which are all the different products that were built by Sinergise. You can select the layers you would like to display and click Add, and it appears into your map, and then you can just toggle layers on or off depending on what you want to show your users. Go try it out and see how satellite image processing in the cloud can make life easier for you and your customers. Thank you for watching this video.